Hi, my name is Carl, and today I want to show you how to install a world save using MCPatcher for Minecraft. It's a good idea to know how to do this because sometimes when you import a world into Minecraft, it might have mods or texture packs that don't quite fit together and make the game work properly. So you'll want to use MCPatcher in order to patch that up and make it work properly. So in order to get MCPatcher, you want to go to minecraftforum.net and look under the heading here that's called the Forum Index, this Forums tab. Go to Mapping and Modding and Resource Packs, and you can find the MCPatcher program. And scroll down here and you can simply download that executable folder and then drag and drop it onto your desktop. Now once you've done that, you want to open up the world that you have saved. Like this one here is called the Dropper. And I've gone ahead and I've downloaded several of these, but we'll look at this one called the Dropper today. So what you'll need to do is come down here to the Start menu and type %appdata% and open up this roaming folder. And then here's this folder called .minecraft you want to open. And then what you'll do is you'll go down here to Saves and double click that. And while you have this open, go over here to the world that you've downloaded called the Dropper and double click that. And it will open with either WinZip or WinRAR. And if you don't have one of these unzip programs, you're going to need to go and download one of those as well. And then pick the language of the map that you want to import, drag and drop it over to this saved folder window. It will extract the files and place that map. And now we have this world imported into Minecraft. Now, in case this doesn't want to work, what we'll do is we'll close all these windows out and simply open up the MCPatcher program and hit Run. And it will go through all the files and it will detect any new mods or maps or worlds or texture packs that we've imported into that folder. And once it's done reading through the jar folder, we simply hit this button called Patch, and it will patch that entire world or texture pack into the game to make it work smoothly. So my name is Carl, and today I showed you how to install a world save using MCPatcher for the game Minecraft. I hope that helps you play with new maps and worlds and have great adventures in the game.